Hey guys, I'm Rae.
And I'm Jason.
And this is Making Money on the Road, where we discuss the different ways that you can make money on the road. I don't know about you, but we love making money, and there are so many different ways out there that we decided as we dive deep into these different methods and learn about them, we are going to share them with you as well. Some of these methods that will be going forward in a video series we've done, and some we are going to try and bring in the experts, or what we think are experts, basically people who are successful at these different ways of making money. So without further ado, today's video topic is retail arbitrage with fulfillment by Amazon.
So what exactly is retail arbitrage? Well, it's pretty simple and is how people make money the world over. It's purchasing products at a lower price from one person and selling them for a higher price to others. This is how people have made money since
the beginning of time,
right? You think about merchants and how they used to purchase things and then move them up the Silk Road and sell them for more in other places. It's just pretty much the easiest way to make money if you know where to buy things and where to sell them for more. So that leads us into Fulfillment by Amazon, which is a program that allows you as a seller to send products into Amazon's warehouses where they will ship them out with that little Prime badge. I don't know about you, but when I'm searching on Amazon, almost 100% of the time, I purchase products with the Prime badge. So if you didn't know, some of those products are sold by Amazon themselves, but a lot of them are sold by other people like you and me, who just sent them into Amazon's warehouses where they handle the actual shipping for you. There is another option called Fulfillment by Merchant, or FBM, which is great if you're just trying to get your feet wet and see how the system works, but it's kind of similar to eBay where you actually have to ship the product out yourself and you have these requirements to make sure you ship it on time. And if you are on the road, it makes it kind of a bigger hassle because you need to carry your products with you. So Fulfillment by Amazon, or FBA, is a way better model for you mobile entrepreneurs like us, because you ship it all off to Amazon and then they deal with shipping it to the customers and returns and everything else.
All right, so since we're diving into retail arbitrage specifically today, what are the skills needed for this? Well, A is going to be patience. Retail arbitrage does take some patience as you are hunting down products that are on sale or even from companies that are going out of business. You really just have to play the field, have some patience to find those products that can really make you some good money. The second skill that goes right hand in hand with patience on this one is attention to detail. Even if you find products on sale, that doesn't necessarily mean that you're going to be able to sell them on Amazon for a higher price. So having attention to detail and really learning the system that we're about to show you is crucial in this. You're going to need to pay attention to all sorts of different features. So if you don't find yourself having a lot of attention to detail or a lot of patience, maybe this might not be the best way to make money for you. But if those are two skills that you have, then stick around.
All right, so you're looking to perform a little retail arbitrage, but where do you start? So for most people, the easiest place to start is going into your local big box stores like Target, Home Depot, Lowe's, Walmart especially, and going over to their clearance section. Those are usually in their own aisle, or they could have an end cap depending on the store. Every store is different in every town because it's the managers that run that. So you head over there and you start checking out the deals that you have. Those are usually great products to look, because especially if they're highly discounted, or like Walmart does like big rollbacks every once in a while, and you can get some great prices. Other items that you look into selling, which require a little bit more digging and paying attention are discontinued products. So I don't know about you, but I buy the same like face moisturizer and shampoo every time I go to the store because it's what works and it's been convenient. And so if they were ever out of them at the store, I usually go on Amazon to make sure that I get my product that I like. So if you know that a product is being discontinued, most likely there were other people out there that liked that product as well. So you can buy a whole bunch of those and then hold on to them and wait, or ship them into Amazon and wait. And then as soon as they're sold out of all the stores or they're removed from all the stores, then people will start hunting on Amazon and you can charge a premium for those. The other thing that you can look at is just pretty much any product. It's kind of surprising, but a lot of products actually sell for more on Amazon than they do at your regular stores. So depending on the margins, like shipping cost and Amazon charges, you can pretty much pick up any product and have the possibility of it selling for more on Amazon. That's especially true if that product isn't on Amazon in the first place. I know of quite a few mechanical things that I've been looking for our truck that I haven't been able to find on Amazon, and I had to actually go from store to store to hunt down the product. So every single time that happens to me, I think, ooh, I should sell this on Amazon. So that's the other thing you have to learn though, is not every store will have something for you to sell that one time that you're there. So as Rae mentioned, patience is really important, and it really does take hustling. You can go to 2 stores and not find a single thing that can sell in your specific niche that you're looking at, and then go to a 3rd store and find 100, 200 items that are priced correctly for you.
One huge advantage to this process, if you've already hit the road, is that you're going to be able to search in so many different stores because you're going to be traveling. A lot of people who try to do retail arbitrage and live in a same town, you're hitting up the same stores constantly, which can be good because you can build a relationship with those managers and they might even give you a call to come pick up and buy some older items they're trying to get rid of. But you do have the upper hand traveling on the road in the fact that you get to go to a bunch of different stores and seek out a bunch of different opportunities. So with that said, let's dive right into the Amazon Seller app to give you a high-level overview and what you should be looking for when you are starting to look at products.
All right, so one of the first things you're going to want to do is to download the Amazon Seller app. On iOS, it looks like this white hang tag with a black A in it and a smile, and it's called Amazon Seller. So once you have it downloaded, just go ahead and click it to open it. You'll have to sign in. I'm already signed in, so if you don't have an Amazon Seller account, you can create one. But what we'll want to do is, if you're in a store and you want to search prices, you'll go ahead and click the button in the top right hand corner, which is a camera, and you can actually scan a barcode. Just like that. So I scan this Arlo Pro 2, and you'll want to scroll down the listing to see and make sure it matches, right? Some of these have additional things on them, extra wall mounts, etc. But mine matches this first one, and look at that, it's got a sales rank of 10. So the lower the sales rank, the better it sells in its specific niche. So in this niche, I think it's electronics or camera, 10 is really good. It means these things fly off the shelves. So it's a decent purchase. Yeah, number 10 in camera. Also, you want to quickly look over there at the ratings, but one of the first things that I do is to make sure that I'm eligible. So as you can see down there, it says it's eligible. Go ahead and click on listings to see who else is selling it, and new is the product we want, and you want to scroll down and look at the prime. So it looks like Amazon is on this listing at $385.35. So there are a couple other sellers, but we'll be competing with the prime. If you're buying a used one, look, Amazon Warehouse is a seller here, and $300 is the lowest price to use, but we'll be looking at new. So there are lower prices, but that's shipping it out directly, so that's not what we're doing with FBA. So one of the great things here, selling eligibility, so you can click into it and it'll tell you what you can sell. This is probably about 95% correct. I would always do a little bit more verification, but yes, we can sell this product in a new condition, which is what we're looking to do. Next, you'll go ahead and click on the fulfillment there, and we can actually put in prices and get an estimate of how much we would make off this product. So if we sold it for $3.78, which is matching Amazon's price, and our shipping to Amazon is 60 cents per pound, it's a pretty good estimate. If we purchased it at $300, we would make a $38 profit. That's pretty good for one product. But if we were able to get this for $340 in a store, it looks like we would lose about $1.37. So remember, not all products work out. However, if we're able to get this at around $332, we'd make a profit of about $6.63. To me, that's not enough money, so I would definitely pass on this product. Probably look for at least $10 or more, but this is a very expensive purchase to only make $10 on. All right, other than that, you can just make sure everything matches, make sure that the review is good. So 4 out of 5 stars, that's cool. Let's check something else. All right, so I scanned a Samsung 32-kit card. It matched. That is the one that I have here. Oh, right off the bat. You see how quickly it was to scan this, and you can tell that seller eligibility is you cannot sell this product in new condition. There's some restriction on it, whether Samsung put a restriction on it or you're gated for selling in electronics or something like that. It all depends. But you cannot sell this product, so definitely do not purchase it if you're buying it in a store to resell on Amazon. So that's just the beginning of finding a product for you. Of course, there's so many variables in it and personal risk levels. So if you want to learn more, which there is so much more, including how to package and ship the stuff to Amazon, or how to create a new listing, or how to set up your business account correctly that we just can't cover in this video, we recommend checking out the Amazon Bootcamp from the Selling Family. I checked this out and it covers pretty much any question that I had when we were setting up our account. Unfortunately, we didn't find it before we started selling, because this would have saved us hours and hours of me just kind of trial and error and losing some money. It is a great program. Some of the things that they show you is setting up your account, how to actually choose products, which is one of the harder things to do. Like, what are the different ratings for different niches? They help you try to identify what's good and what's bad. Setting up inventory goals and guidelines for your purchases, and what the buy box is and how to get it. So overall, it's a great course. Highly recommend it. I mean, a lot of people have taken it. They've had great success. It's not too expensive. I think they have a payment plan available. I think it's like $300 if you want the full Facebook group to talk to all these other Amazon sellers, or if you just need the videos, I think that's $200. But I highly recommend going with the $300. You will absolutely make it back within a month or two if you set it up and get out there and buy it. It's a little known fact that before we went RVing, this is one of the things that we started to do to get us ready to buy our RV and get on the road. And we made over 6 figures our first year. It's crazy.
Yes.
So
if you have the skills we mentioned before, the patience and the attention to detail, you can really make money with this, and you just have to be determined to stick with it. So definitely go check out the Selling Family. They have a great blog and a bunch of different resources for making money as well, so we definitely recommend them. If you have any questions, please leave them in the comments down below, and if you found this video helpful, give it a like and even share it with your friends, because you never know who is out there trying to make an extra buck or two and could find this helpful. Don't forget to subscribe so you don't miss any future Making Money on the Road videos. We are hoping that this video series, it will help a lot of people, so we're very excited about it. And if there is a particular way that you would like to make money on the road and you want us to do a little research for you and cover it, leave that in the comments as well. I think that's all we have for you, so we'll see you next time. Bye guys.
Welcome to the...
Hey guys, I'm Rae.
And I'm Jason.
And this is Making Money on the Road. So with that said, let's dive right into the Amazon Seller app and give you an overview of how to look. Damn it, because it was kind of struggle city over here, but damn it. Okay, right? Is that fine? Were you gonna say anything else?
No.
It's starting to rain.
No, yeah.
Okay. Fine.
Yeah, we didn't say subscribe, but that's okay.
I could say it real quick.
Oh yeah, and subscribe.